Hello, my name is Clayton Dalton with Bear Creek AI. Today I'll be showing you the visual defect analyzation capabilities of our Knowledge Expert platform. So I have compiled some images here, which are visual defects from the web. And let's look at a couple examples for how we can use images in the platform. I've created a knowledge base of visual defects, uploading these images to it, and we'll be utilizing that some. So for the first question we want to ask is simply just a text question, text to image capabilities. So let's ask that. I have some carbon fiber delamination issues that I need to diagnose. Can you find any images in my knowledge base relevant to this? All right, we've got that transcript. Let's select our visual defects knowledge base and put that question there. We'll just do this live since these responses typically come back fairly quickly. So it says it found two highly relevant carbon fiber composite delamination images in our knowledge base, image 1, 2, and then number 3 here it says lower confidence but relevant, but the strongest diagnostic reference is this one here. So let's take a look at that image. Looks great. Looks like carbon fiber delamination to me. Severe edge delamination, and then 3 is additionally here. Great. Some same issues here with deep linear cuts, distressed edges, etc., etc. Okay. And then one less lower confidence image it's showing here. All right, great. So we know we can do text to image. Let's go to a new chat, deselect our knowledge base, and let's go image to text. So I'm going to take this same issue here, which we just used, but this is in a fresh context, and let's ask our next question. I need to diagnose the issues in this image. Please list the top 3 most likely causes of this issue. Keep your response short. All right, again, we'll let this run live. It says the image shows carbon fiber composite panel with edge delamination and exposed frayed fibers. Top 3 likely causes, and we can see here. Okay, follow-up questions there. Now let's go a step further, and again, this is without any knowledge base context. Let's actually select a knowledge base, go visual defects, and find any similar images in my knowledge base that would help me get some better information on this issue. Keep your response short and just provide the top 2 most similar images. Okay, so we're going to run through here. Live again, we've selected the visual defects knowledge base. Now, no surprise here, this image is the actual image that I uploaded, and so that should be returning as very relevant. But we also have this image, which is that similar image here to notice also. Okay, so that's very good, and then we'll just do one last chat, deselecting all of these, but we will select the web, and let's select this image here. Please help me identify what's going on in this image, what the issue is, and then recommend a product from the web to keep this from happening again. Keep your response short. And I'm just telling it to keep this response short for the sake of demo. So here I've just asked it to identify, but also identify a recommended product from the web. Now this could be a recommended product from your knowledge base, your company documents, your enterprise documents, etc. But in this case, we'll go from the web. So it says it shows a tank roof or top with severe mud cracking or crazing of the exterior coating. Could also be alligatoring, especially around pipe nozzles and flanges. Likely caused is UV weathering driven coating failure. Recommended product VersaFlex, which is a spray to apply pure tank coating liner. And we can go to that link. Perfect. We can see some details about what that product is. Perfect. So now we can say, okay, help me choose the right coating based on tank material and context, continuing to dive into this issue. We can also upload more images, of course, but hopefully this gives you an idea of the capabilities for analyzing visual defects using the Knowledge Expert platform. This can be configured for enterprises, custom, depending on what the customer needs. Thanks for your time.